So we've had our Swiffer wet jet for about 5 years and the motor on it finally gave out. So we ordered a new Swiffer wet jet kit and we'll be putting it together today. We have hardwood floors, vinyl, and a bit of ceramic tiling, and this wet jet will clean it all. This kit comes with 2 packs of 5 mop pads each, and the directions on how to install them to the mop is written right on the packaging. We also have a stick that comes in 2 pieces, and of course, the mop head with a chamber where the bottle of cleaning solution will be inserted into. So, we're going to go ahead and quickly assemble this wet jet mop and start testing it out. You're going to need to make sure you line up the little button with the hole on the handle so the 2 pieces will click together into one long handle. Then you insert the entire handle into the top of the mop head, and once again, make sure to line up the holes. Next, slide out the battery chamber by pushing it up and out. This wet jet requires two AA batteries, which is actually included in the kit. We actually found the batteries inside the bag of mop pads. Once you have the batteries inserted into the battery chamber, you can reattach it back to the top of the mop head. Then next, we need to attach one of the mop pads. Basically, each pad has a couple of Velcro strips on one side that attaches to the mop head. Once the mop pad is attached, it will stay secure, so the last step is to insert the bottle of cleaning solution. And then that's it. We're now ready to mop the floors. There's a button at the top of the handle that is conveniently positioned so you can use your thumb to press on it in order to spray some cleaning solution onto the floor. There are 2 little nozzles located in the front left and front right of the mop head. You can mop as normal and the pad will absorb the solution while it cleans the floors. And the best part is there's no need to waste any water or use any other cleaning solution. We find this Swiffer wet jet mop so convenient and it does the job every single time.